These kids' toy car has insane features. Toy cars used to be simple plastic machines powered by tiny batteries that barely lasted an afternoon. But modern kids' rides on vehicles have evolved into miniature luxury machines loaded with technology that feels almost futuristic. Some now include working LED headlights, real suspension systems, Bluetooth speakers, touchscreen dashboards, parental remote driving controls, and even electric drift modes. A few premium models look so realistic that people mistake them for actual vehicles from a distance. Companies are now building mini versions of famous vehicles like the Tesla Cybertruck, Lamborghini Aventador, and Mercedes-Benz G-Class with shocking levels of detail. What makes this trend even crazier is how fast the technology keeps improving. Today's toy cars are no longer just toys. They are becoming tiny previews of the future automotive world itself. Let's watch. 1. Mini supercars that look almost identical to real cars. One of the biggest reasons modern toy cars exploded in popularity is realism. Manufacturers realized kids no longer wanted cartoon-looking vehicles with fake styling and cheap plastic designs. They wanted miniature versions of real dream cars. Now, companies produce officially licensed ride-on vehicles modeled after real luxury cars from Lamborghini, Ferrari, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz Group. Some miniature supercars include realistic paint finishes, illuminated dashboards, startup sounds, opening doors, working horns, and even tiny badges identical to the real cars. The mini Lamborghini Aventador ride-ons became especially popular online because they feature scissor doors that actually rise upward like the real vehicle. Kids can sit inside what looks like a miniature exotic supercar while LED lights glow around the cabin. The crazy part is how detailed these vehicles have become. Certain premium models even include stitched seats, fake carbon fiber trim, and realistic wheel designs. Social media made these toy cars even more popular because videos of children driving tiny supercars quickly went viral. Entire luxury-themed birthday parties are now built around these ride-ons. Manufacturers realized parents were willing to spend far more money if the toy looked premium and realistic. As a result, the modern toy car industry now resembles the real automotive world with budget trims, luxury editions, and performance versions. 2. Electric power completely changed toy cars. Electric technology transformed ride-on vehicles more than anything else. Older toy cars used weak lead-acid batteries that delivered terrible acceleration, poor battery life, and painfully slow speeds. Modern lithium-ion battery systems completely changed that. Today's upgraded ride-ons use compact electric drivetrains inspired by real EV technology. Vehicles like the Tesla Cyberquad for kids now feature stronger motors, smoother acceleration, and dramatically improved battery efficiency. Some premium ride-ons even include dual-motor, all-wheel drive systems that help them climb hills, drive across grass, and handle rough surfaces far better than older toys. Another major improvement is charging speed. Older ride-ons often needed overnight charging for less than an hour of driving. Modern lithium battery systems recharge faster and last longer while delivering much more consistent power. Electric motors also made these toy vehicles quieter and smoother. Instead of jerky acceleration and loud plastic gear noise, modern ride-ons feel surprisingly refined. Some upgraded vehicles now even include regenerative braking systems similar to real EVs. Others offer multiple driving modes like Eco and Sport settings that change throttle response and speed limits. It sounds ridiculous for a child's toy, but manufacturers realize kids enjoy performance just as much as adults do. The rise of EV technology essentially turned toy cars into miniature electric vehicles years faster than anyone expected. 3. Parents can control the car remotely. One of the most futuristic upgrades in modern toy cars is remote parental control systems. Many ride-ons now come with wireless remotes, allowing parents to accelerate, steer, brake, or stop the vehicle instantly. This completely changed how younger children use ride-on cars. Even toddlers can safely drive while parents maintain full control behind the scenes. Some systems work almost like giant RC cars with surprisingly responsive steering and braking. Premium models now include emergency stop buttons, gradual acceleration software, and speed limiting technology. Certain ride-ons even connect to smartphone apps where parents can monitor battery levels, adjust maximum speed, and activate safety settings remotely. Manufacturers introduced these systems because safety concerns were one of the biggest reasons parents avoided expensive ride-ons in the past. Now, many vehicles include anti-rollover programming, traction control systems, and obstacle warning sensors designed specifically for children. The strange reality is that some modern kids' toy cars now include smarter safety systems than actual economy cars from only 15 years ago. 4. Some toy cars are shockingly fast. Most people still imagine toy cars crawling along sidewalks at walking speed. That image is completely outdated. Modern performance ride-ons can now reach speeds exceeding 10 to 15 miles per hour, which feels extremely fast for small children sitting inches from the ground. Some upgraded drift cars use powerful electric motors combined with slick rear wheels to intentionally slide sideways around corners. These mini drift machines became hugely popular online thanks to videos showing children performing controlled slides like professional race drivers. Certain toy cars inspired by the Nissan GT-R and BMW M4 now feature upgraded motors, sports steering systems, and traction settings. Enthusiast communities even modify ride-ons with brushless motors, larger batteries, upgraded suspension systems, and racing tires. Some custom builds became so extreme that they blurred the line between toy and actual micro-vehicle. Performance culture now exists even in children's ride-ons. Kids no longer just want to cruise slowly around driveways, they want vehicles that feel exciting and dynamic. That demand pushed manufacturers to create ride-ons with genuine acceleration, better handling, and stronger braking systems. 5. Off-road toy trucks became tiny adventure machines. One of the fastest-growing categories in the toy car world is off-road ride-ons. Modern toy trucks inspired by vehicles like the Ford F-150 Raptor and Jeep Wrangler now include oversized tires, suspension systems, and powerful electric motors capable of handling rough terrain surprisingly well. These are no longer weak plastic vehicles that stop the moment they touch grass. Some upgraded off-road ride-ons include four-wheel drive systems, independent suspension, LED light bars, and realistic off-road styling. Manufacturers realized parents increasingly wanted outdoor adventure vehicles for parks, camping trips, and large properties. Now kids can drive miniature UTVs and off-road trucks across dirt paths, gravel roads, and uneven terrain with surprising capability. Certain premium models even feature real dampers and springs that absorb bumps similarly to full-size off-road vehicles. The ride quality improvements are dramatic. Instead of bouncing violently across rough surfaces, upgraded ride-ons feel smoother and more controlled. What started as simple backyard entertainment evolved into tiny electric adventure vehicles. Let us know in the comments what you think about these kids' toy car has insane features. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.